welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. And if you are new here, I would love you to subscribe. I make videos on DIYs, cocktails, recipes, and wellness. And today's video is going to be an Irish coffee. So this is going to be the last of a 3-part series that I've done on St. Patrick's Day. I will put a link in the description box to my corned beef and cabbage recipe and my Irish soda bread recipe. So if you are interested in those videos, feel free to check them out. This drink is extremely easy to make. You need coffee, which I know as moms, most of us probably have that by the ton. So I'm going to be using just ground coffee today in my French press. If you want to use a K-cup for your coffee, that's probably the simplest way to do it, so you can do it. I'm just doing it this way because it makes a larger batch of coffee. Then you're going to need some Irish whiskey. I'm using this Slain Irish whiskey, which I've never tried before, but I figure I'd pick it up and try something new. Then you're gonna need a little bit of brown sugar, just a teaspoon, and then whipped cream to top it off. So let's get started on making this cocktail. So first I'm going to just put my ground coffee in the bottom of my French press. I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons because I like my coffee strong, and this is going to be about 4 cups of coffee. And then I'm just going to put some water in my kettle and let that boil. And then I'm going to pour it directly into my French press. Then I'm just going to let the coffee brew for a few minutes and then push the top down to let the coffee grinds all stay at the bottom. Then you're just going to pour your coffee in a glass. And then I'm going to add 1 shot of Irish whiskey. Then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and give it a stir. Then you're just going to add whipped cream to the top. You don't really need any creamer or milk because the whipped cream will kind of melt into the hot coffee. I hope you guys give this one a try, especially if you like coffee and or whiskey or a combination of both. If you do, leave me a comment below, tag me on Instagram if you make it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you next time.